Hello smart minds, welcome back to Zippy Learning. I'm so excited to have you here. In today's lesson, we will revisit the structure of abacus with level 1, learn some unique tricks that will really speed up your calculation and perform some simple addition and subtraction with single digit numbers. So let's start. Generally we follow Japanese strategies of abacus. This is Japanese style abacus. This is called sharpen. It has a frame in rectangle shape. In the middle there is a rod like sleeping line. This rod is called beam or unit bar. There are some other rods like standing line. These rods are called digit rods. Each digit rod has 5 beads, 4 lower beads and 1 upper bead. Lower beads are called earth beads or 1 beads. Upper beads are called heaven beads or 5 beads. There are 5 white dots. First, second, third, fourth, fifth. These white dots are called position marker. You can consider any of the rods with white dot as your home point. We consider the third rod or the rod in the middle with white dot as our home point or ones place or unit place. Hold the abacus in your left hand with the help of thumb finger, ring finger and little finger this way, and always keep the abacus on the surface place, on the table or on the floor. Hold the pencil or pen in your right hand with the help of middle finger, ring finger and little finger. Keep the mouth of the pen or pencil this side. These 2 finger, thumb finger and index finger will be used to move up and move down the beads. You can also use these 2 fingers from your left hand in the intermediate level or advanced level if you are comfortable. Otherwise, you can use only these 2 fingers from your right hand. To zoom the abacus, pinch your 2 fingers from your right hand and move from right to left. This way you will clear the abacus or zoom the abacus. We consider the rod in the middle with white dot as our home point or unit place or ones place. Value of each bead on ones place is 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4. Total value of lower beads on ones place is 4. Value of upper bead on ones place is 5. 5 and 4, 9. Move left, next to ones place is tens place. Value of each lower bead on tens place is 10, 10, 10, 20, 10, 30, 10, 40. Value of total lower beads on tens place is 40. Value of upper bead on tens place is 50, 50 and 40, 90. Move left, next to tens place is hundreds place. Value of each lower bead on hundreds place is 100, 100, 200, 100, 300, 100, 400. Total value of lower beads on hundreds place is 400. Value of upper bead on hundreds place is 500. 500 and 400, 900. Move left, right to hundreds place is thousands place. Value of each lower bead on thousands place is 1000. 1000, 2000, 1000, 3000, 1000, 4000. Value of total lower beads on thousands place is 4000. Value of upper bead on thousands place is 5000. 5000 and 4000, 9000 and so on. Value of total beads on ones place is 9, on tens place is 90, on hundreds place 900, on thousands place 9000 and so on. Now we will perform simple addition and subtraction with single digit number. Before we start, let's remind how to move the beads. On ones place, you have to move up the lower beads with the help of your thumb finger. 1, 1, 2, 1, 3 and 4. You have to move down the earth beads or lower beads with the help of index finger. Move down this way. And you have to move down and up the upper bead with the help of index finger. Here index finger is doing 3 actions. Moving down and up the upper bead and moving down the lower beads. Thumb finger is doing only 1 action, just moving up the lower beads. It's clear? Let's do some addition and subtraction with single digit numbers on ones place. Add 1 plus 3 plus 5 minus 2. The answer is 5 and 2, 7. Zoom the abacus this way. Next one, add 2, then plus 2, then minus 3. 2 less 3, 1, 2, 3. Now add 5. Value of bits is 5 and 1, 6. Zoom the abacus. Add 6, 5 and 1. 6 plus 2, add 2 lower beads, less 7, to less 7 you have to less 5 and less 2, plus 3, beads are pretty available to add 3, value of the beads is now 4. Zoom the abacus. Next one, add 7, 5, 6, 7 plus 1 minus 5, less 5 this way, then add 6. To add 6 you have to use 5 bead and 1 bead. Now value of the beads is 5 and 4, 9. Add 8. To add 8 you have to use upper bead. The value of upper bead is 5 and 3 lower beads. 5 and 3, 8. Minus 2, less 2 this way. Then add 3. Beads are pretty available to add 3. Now less 7. To less 7 you have to less 5 and less 2. Now value of beads is 2. Zoom the abacus. Add 8, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then less 5. Less 5, add 6, 5 and 1. 6 minus 3. To less 3 we have to move down 3 lower beads. Now value of beads is 5 and 1, 6. Zoom the abacus. Last one, 9, 5 and 4, 9. Minus 8. To less 8 you have to less 5 and less 3. Plus 7. To add 7, add 5 and 2. Now minus 1. Bead is pretty available to less 1. Now value of the beads is 5 and 2, 7. Zoom the abacus this way. And that brings us to end of our tutorials. If you want to keep learning with me, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to ZP Learning and click the bell icon so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thank you for watching. Keep smiling, keep learning, and we will see you in the next lesson.